Howdy, this is Wade with Tioga Plumbing and Electric. What are the pros and cons of wax and rubber toilet seals? Wax creates a good seal, keeping out odors, fits easily into any flange, and is cheaper. The cons to wax are that it can be messy to clean up, can lose its seal with a wobbly toilet, and cannot be reused. On the other hand, a rubber toilet seal is cleaner, more flexible, and reusable, but it's more expensive and may not fit thicker flanges. If it's time to replace your toilet and you're not sure what to choose, call in the pros at Tioga Plumbing and Electric. We'll handle the messy work and use high quality materials for your install.